Hello everyone, myself Shruti, working as assistant professor in Government Engineering College, and in this session I'll be executing a program, assembly language program for 8051 microcontroller to arrange the order in to arrange the array in ascending order or to sort the array in ascending order. And this is the program. I've already typed the program. I'll just compile the program and build the program. There are no errors. I'll enter into debug mode. Now, actually, this is the location at which my array will be available, and this is the count of the number of datas to be compared. So I'll go to this location in the internal memory, and I'll modify these locations before execution. So this has to be arranged in ascending order. I will have 4 datas, and the count should be 3 because you'll compare this with this, one comparison, this number with this, second comparison, this with this, third comparison. Again, you have to repeat that until you have to repeat the comparison of consecutive numbers uh, again till the array is arranged in ascending order. So the comparison between consecutive numbers, uh, first thing we have to compare the consecutive numbers, and again it has to be repeated for the number of times which is equal to the total number of datas which have to be sorted minus 1. So since I have 3 datas to be sorted, 4 datas to be sorted, I will have the count to be 3 here. So this is where my data is available. Now, so I'll start executing this program. So first I'll load 3 to uh, register R3 because I have 4 numbers to be compared with or sorted out in the ascending order. So I'll load 3, and next I'll load the address of the array, address at which the array is placed, address of the location at which array is placed into R0 register. So R0 has become 30 now. Next, I'll load the same value of count to another register because I already told you the comparison have to be between the successive elements, consecutive elements. Again, such comparisons have to be performed for 3 times. If there are 4 numbers to be sorted out, the comparison between consecutive elements have to be done 3 comparisons have to be done between the consecutive elements. Again, the procedure has to be repeated for 3 times to get uh, the array completely sorted. Okay, so again R4 is also loaded with the count. Next, the content at R0 register is first copied to accumulator register. So the content at the location pointed to by R0 register is copied to accumulator register. So accumulator is has 3 now. Next, it has to be compared with the content in the next location. So that is to copy that content of the next location, you have to increment R0. So R0, upon incrementing, R0 becomes 31H. So the content at R0H location is copied to B register. So it becomes mm, 5. Next, you have to compare those two. So compare the content of A register is compared with content of B register. So A minus B is performed, but the result is not stored anywhere. Only the carry flag is affected here upon the execution of this instruction. So A is compared with B. If the two are not equal, it jumps to the next location. So if upon comparison, only carry flag is affected. So A minus B is done. That is 3 minus 5 is performed. So carry is generated when you subtract a smaller number, a larger number from a smaller number. So see, carry flag has become 1 now. So if since the array has to be sorted in ascending order, this should not be altered. This is already, these two numbers are already in ascending order, so this should not be altered. So you have to compare the next two consecutive elements, 5 and 2 next. So only if carry is generated, uh, it should not do any exchange. Nothing has to be done. It has to do the comparison between the next two consecutive elements. So since carry is generated, condition becomes true. It jumps to the location pointed to by this address or label, that is this instruction. So R4 is decremented. If R4 is not 0, the loop should be repeated, right? The next two consecutive elements have to be compared. So since it is not 0, again the register are not registered, the address, sorry, the location, the content at the address pointed to by R0 register, that is R0 is pointing to 31H location, that is 5, will be taken to A register. So accumulator content becomes 5, and R0 is incremented to point to the next location, R2. Next, that is 32H location. The content at that location is copied to B register. Now, uh, comparison is made between accumulator and B register contents. So 5 minus 2 is performed. When this subtraction is performed, carry is not generated because A is greater than B. Next is, so carry is not generated. uh, they are not equal. So since carry is not generated, the condition becomes false. So since the condition becomes false, the instruction, the control won't jump to this label. Instead, the instruction next to this instruction gets executed. So see, the instruction, the control has jumped to this instruction, and content at A register, which is 5, is moved to the location pointed to by R0 register. That is, the content of A register is moved to 32H location. That is, this is 32H location. So this have to be exchanged. These two numbers have to be exchanged. These two datas in the arrays have to be exchanged since they are not in ascending order. So the content at A register, which is 5, is moved to 32H location. So 5 is moved to this location. The content in this location has to be moved to this location, right? So first, the content in A register, that is 5, is moved to 32H location. See, next you have to move the content which was there in 32H location to 31H location. So that content is available in B register. See, B has 2 now, but the pointer is already, that is the r naught is already 32. So you have to first decrement it to make it point to 31h location. So r naught is decremented, and then the B register content is moved to that location, that is 31h location. So B register's content is moved to 31h location. See, so you have swapped these two datas. Next, again, the comparison should be made between these two memory location contents, the contents of these two memory location. So uh, you have to compare 5 with 6, right? So again, R naught is incremented to make it point to 32H location. Again, you will decrement the next, again, you have to compare the next two elements. So you're decrementing the count. So count becomes 1. Again, R naught content. So R naught is pointing to 32H, and uh, the content is copied to accumulator. Accumulator content becomes 5. Next, r naught is incremented to get the value in the next location. So r naught is copied to B register. The content at R naught is copied to B register. So you have these two numbers to be compared. So comparison is done between those two numbers using compare jump on not equal instruction. It come, so you 5 minus 6 is performed. So when you perform that subtraction, carry is generated. So carry flag is set by the controller. Now, compare, so carry, since carry flag is set, uh, the condition becomes true. So the control directly jumps to the label mentioned. So the control jumps to this label mentioned, because since it is already in the ascending order, you need not have to rearrange it. So all the consecutive elements are compared. Now you have to again start comparison from the beginning of the array. So R naught has become R4 has become 0, like it will become 0 now after decrementing. So since it has become 0, it won't, the condition becomes false and it won't jump to this label. Instead, the next instruction is executed wherein R3 is decremented. Once the complete array is sorted once, so R3 is decremented. If it is not 0, it will start comparison, or it will start comparing the elements from the beginning again. So R naught is again loaded with 30H. R4 is again loaded with 3, because you have to do 3 comparisons for comparing the consecutive elements starting from the beginning. So repeat, our content at R naught register is taken to accumulator. So 3 is taken to accumulator. Next, increment R naught. So you are pointing to 31H. Next, the content at that location is copied to B register. That is, A is 3, B is 2. Uh, those two are compared. If A is greater than B, carry flag is not set. So condition becomes false. So since these two are not in ascending order, these two contents, the contents of these two memory locations have to be exchanged, swapped. So you will copy the content at accumulator in the accumulator register to the location pointed to by R naught register. That is, the content of accumulator is copied to this location, and again you have to make the content of this location 2. So again R naught has to be decremented, and the content of B register have to be copied to that location. So here 2 is like the swapping is done. Now again the comparison between the next two consecutive elements have to be done. So R0 is incremented, R4 have to be decremented because one consecutive locations comparison is complete. Next, R0 is again compared with content at R0 register is taken to accumulator. Again, 3 and 5 have to be compared. So it compares 3 and 5 since they two are in ascending order. They are not exchanged. But again, next 5 and 6 have to be compared. So 5 and 6 are compared since they are already in ascending order. They need not have to be swapped. So again, R4 will become 0 now because comparison between the all consecutive elements is completed. Again, you have to repeat the comparison from the beginning of the array. So R3 is decremented, and again the process is started from the beginning, not from the beginning. Again, the array is sorted for the third time now. You are going to sort the array for the third time. Again, R0 is loaded with 30H. So comparison is done between 2 and 3 since the uh, this is already in ascending order. You need like comparison sorting or swapping is not done. 2 and 3, so it decrements the R4 register content because 2 and 3 are compared. Next you have to compare 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 are compared again since it is already in ascending order. No changes need to be uh, no change is required. Mm, now R3 is decremented, so complete comparison between the consecutive elements for the third time is completed. So the array is completely sorted now, and the numbers are in ascending order. The elements of array are in ascending order. So that is all about this program. Thank you.